Thousands of new AI products launch online every day, and almost all of them vanish within weeks. But a few, they turn into six-figure businesses built by complete beginners. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how those beginners pull it off, step by step, using free tools, no coding, and a repeatable system you can copy today. And if you stick with me till the very end, I will give you a shortcut that makes launching your first AI product 100x faster. But first, let's start with two rules that decide whether your product succeeds or dies. Rule number one. People pay for relief, not technology. They buy things that save time, make money, or reduce anxiety. Nothing else matters. Rule number two, speed beats perfection. The faster you launch, the faster you get real-time feedback, and the feedback compounds into revenue. Now that you know the core principle, let's build something that actually sells. Find high-demand pain point. Open Reddit, TikTok, Instagram, Discord, whatever you have. Look inside the business, e-commerce, and productive communities. Find a frustration. Things people complain about. Things that are too expensive, too consuming, too confusing, or too slow. And once you find a pain point, paste it into Google Trends. And if the graph is rising, congratulations, you found the money signal. And if you don't want to dig through social media yourself, I have added a prompt in description. Paste it into ChatGPT and it will find you multiple high demand pain points. Bigger product format. Choose one, video course or template bundles. But I personally prefer videos because people consume it more. But both format works insanely well. Just match to the audience and the pain point. And once you have picked the format, I have added another prompt in the description. Paste your topic into it and you will get a complete lesson outline for your course. Now create the content. Show your face and voice, or you can stay completely faceless using AI. And for editing your videos, you can use CapCut. It gives you free captions, clean cuts, and a simple timeline, which even beginners can use. Upload to Gumroad or your own landing page. Simple. Then create a TikTok and Instagram account, put your product link in your bio, post demos, preview, walkthrough, anything that shows the value in your product. Now then you are going to start DM outreach. Go to Reddit, Instagram, Discord, whatever social media you have. Find people asking about the problem you solved and send this simple message.
Hi, I saw you asked about XYZ problem, so I made a simple toolkit that solves it. Want to try it?
And the conversion rate is crazy if the pain point is strong. Now, the shortcut I promised, and this one is actually powerful. It's the exact method beginners use to produce high quality products without wasting weeks, and I call it the AI script course generator. And here's how it works. Instead of building your entire product from scratch, you create one master prompt. Inside this prompt, you will define your audience, the pain point, the transformation, the tone of voice, the lesson count. The master prompt is in the description. You can copy it from there, paste into ChatGPT, and it will give you products according to your need. If you need a video course, it gives you a lesson script. This shortcut isn't about copying and pasting. It's a complete system. So this much for now. See you in the next one.